Good evening, gentlemen. Today's my topic is partners in the Blue Pacific. Gentlemen, talking about the Indo-Pacific region, from the western coast of the USA to the southwest coast of India. This region is known as Indo-Pacific. This is the home of the world's most populous state, that is China, world's most populous democracy, that is India, and the largest Muslim nationhood, that is Indonesia. Gentlemen, this region is also the home of the countries which possesses 7 out of the 10 largest armies of the world. And in this region 6 countries possesses nuclear weapons, and 9 out of the 10 largest seaports is situated over here. Gentlemen, talking about the trade, 70% of the global maritime trade transits through Asia, and 1/3 of the global shipping passes through the South China Sea. Gentlemen, talking about this initiative to counter China's aggressive influence in the region, the US and its allies UK, Australia, New Zealand and Japan have launched an initiative, that is Partners in the Blue Pacific. Gentlemen, why this situation arrives? Because from the decades, China's economic expansion policy and debt trap to increase its influence in the region and resulted in signing a common cooperation agreement, that is Common Development Plan, with the 10 Pacific nations. And China has also signed a security pact with the Solomon Islands currently to get a military base over there to dominate the southern Pacific region. And gentlemen, this because of the importance of this region is also included in the US's NSD, that is the National Security Doctrine. And so US and its allies always try to make a balance in the region. So by this initiative, they will work on to increase their influence by efficient and effective cooperation with the small island nations in the region. And gentlemen, PVP is a 5-nation informal mechanism to cooperate with the islands in the Pacific region and to boost diplomatic and economic ties in the region. And it simply means that through PVP, these countries will together and individually will direct resources over here to counter China's aggressive outreach. And gentlemen, at the last I will say that this initiative is by the US and its allies to make a stability in the region and to counter China's aggressive outreach. Thank you.